Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best deals on Temu. If you want to save as much money as possible by shopping on Temu, to get started, firstly open the Temu app. And over here, once you're on the home page, you can browse the featured banners and promotional section as well. You can simply select the categories in the bottom. And from here you can shop by the category of your home and kitchen, women's clothing or the shoes. And next is you can also use the search bar in the top to find the products that you're interested in and select search in the bottom right. And after that you can also go to this filters in the top left here and you can select for the color, applicable material, brand as well. And with the filters you can organize results by price, customer ratings, bestsellers or the current discount here as well. And also be sure to check any flash sales. In the top there's the summer sale, you can select that, and you can also find the similar promotional section if they're available, and these offers are often available for a limited time and can provide significant saving on popular product. And that is it. That's how you can find the best deals on Temu by using the app search tools, flash sales, and you can save money and make smarter shopping decisions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.